On top tori for today, Presido Muhamadu Buhari don say make electricity distribution companies DisCos improve for light matter. Presido Buhari don talk say make electricity distribution companies DisCos work hard so that electricity supply go better for Nigeria. He talk say federal government go continue to dey build so that transmission go dey gidigba for we country. Buhari talk this one when he receive members of Edo State Council of Traditional Rulers and Chiefs wey na Oba of Benin, Oba Ewari II, nine leads them go State House for Abuja. Presido come still say make Nigerians try understand say DisCos and federal government dey try to do more to make sure say lights dey and plans dey ground gidigba to make electricity better for Nigeria. Presido talk say gas supply for transmission don better, and with the throwbody put of TCN and DisCos, light matter go better well very soon. Buhari come salute Oba Ewari II and Edo State traditional rulers wey dem take do ogbonge thing to stop human trafficking and wey dem fit take track down and discourage facilitators and as the fit take care of victims of human trafficking. Presido come talk say Ministry of Works go chook eye put for Benin Abuja road once indoor appoint ministers. He tell the elders say federal government go fit do more on top food security with the collabo of Ministry of Agriculture, states, other stakeholders, even farmers, and say dem go do more to carry Nigeria economy go up make it for come better. Oba Ewari II come congratulate Presido Muhammadu Buhari wey im take win 2019 elections. Say make Buhari use this opportunity take improve people lives, especially on top light and with good road. Oba Ewari talk say him pray make God to help Buhari fit choose good men and women wey go help am carry Nigeria go front. And say since Edo State na the only APC state for South, say make Buhari give Edo State 2 slots for ministers. Oba Ewari II talk say better light no dey for Edo State at all, and say make Presido Muhammadu Buhari do something to make light better. He still talk say Benin Abuja project go help many Edo people, and say him don cause all native doctors wey dey put body for human trafficking, and since then human trafficking don reduce for Edo State. Oba Ewari come still thank Presido Muhammadu Buhari when he take approve am, say make National Festival of Arts and Culture NAFEST shele for Edo State. He talk say this one na opportunity to showcase the rich culture wey Edo get, and it go help museum project waka go far. After the meeting, Oba Ewari II come present gifts give Presido Muhammadu Buhari. Na so we see am reach on top wetin shele for tori for today. On top say Presido Muhammadu Buhari don promise Nigerians say light go soon better for the country. Make una no forget to subscribe, like, and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T Live Media. Make una no forget say na T Live Media na im dey carry this ogbonge updates they come give una.